Don't let your roof be unprepared for Florida storms. Century protect it with Century Roofing Specialists. Century Roofing is the go-to roofing company in Central Florida, making sure your home is prepared for every kind of weather, especially our destructive hurricane season. We are professionals at finding potential issues with your roof, your home's most important protection against the elements.
We protect your family, home, and property.
For a free home estimate, call Century Roofing Specialists today and be Century protected. Don't let your roof be unprepared.